a chip bag. We've already done one. So you have to have it emptied out and you have to flatten it as much as possible.
And you need a microwave.
Yeah, you need a microwave. You microwave it for no more than 5 seconds. Hey Jackson, come on. We're doing it. We're doing it in the dark because it's better. You can use any kind of chip bag, but we've done this before, so flatten that away. Ooh, this one's huge.
Okay.
As far as it can get. Now watch the microwave, boo. 5 seconds only.
Oh, dang it. I'm good. 5. Start.
Now look at it. Look, controls. We had 2 of them actually.
I see it. So tiny now.
But it is really hot. It can be really hot when we do it. But yeah, we've already done one, and it was a Turbo's bag. Turbo's talkie. Turbos. And this one.
Yeah. Don't touch it.
That's what it turned into. Yep. Here's the front. The same. So, if you ever get the chance to do the second one, you gotta do it. Okay, but you gotta make sure you get your parents' permission first, because it could ruin their microwave. Don't do it longer than 5 seconds. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below.
Bye.